Hey, darling. You're such a clever mummy. Look at your big fat puppies. Aren't they beautiful? Are they squeaky? Did you get left out? Did you? There's no booby for me. One's gone round the back. This, I think, is the little girl. Yes, it is. She was tiny last week. They're all doing really well. Such a good mummy, aren't you, darling? Hey, an absolute baby. Yes, you are. Oh, just so happy little face, isn't it? They're big, fat, cheeky little puppies. They're 6. Oh, you got a dirty bum, little one. They're 9 days old. Yeah, 7 plus 2 is 9. This one's got a dirty bum, Holly. Not Holly, Karen. You missed it. She's been very good though.